how and where to save money. Watch the video all the way to the end and I'll show you that now. First of all, since we're talking about saving money, let's go to my deals. If you go to my deals, look at all the places you can save money. Over 1 million stores that have discounts for Save Club. Where you eat, where you play, where you shop, and travel. That's a real big one. You can save a lot of money on travel. So if you're a traveler, this is a good place to join to save money. Then if you go back into the system again, and you can see if you want to get a mobile app, you just go there and you put that on your mobile. And here you can check your own information and your order history and who all is on your team. And once you click on referrals, after you start advertising, you'll get an email with each referral. So you have all the information there you need to follow up. And I always follow up because hardly anybody joins on the first time they see something. They usually want to ask you questions. So I let them ask me the questions and I answer them, and then they can decide what they want to do themselves. And if you go to webinars, we have 3 a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. And let's say you can't make those times. Well, don't worry about it because it's all recorded on YouTube and you can watch it whenever you have time at your convenience. And you go back into the system again and you look at all the training we get. First of all, this is about a 10-minute introduction to the training. Then you got a training portal where you got a whole bunch more stuff. And then you got the 90-day blitz and a whole bunch of marketing material that you can check out. And also here, if you go here, it's a compensation plan. Now, if somebody asks you about the compensation plan, don't try and explain it to them. I never do. I always send them to this video and they can check it for themselves and they can watch it more than once and they'll understand it. And then if you go in here, there's some more deals. It just keeps getting better and better with all these deals you get for saving money. So it's a very good system to get involved with. And if you go, you can check your earnings there and save on. And you can contact us or them for more information and ask questions. And I think I pretty well covered everything today. I'm going to put my link under the video so you can watch this video and you can also get more information about it. And don't hesitate to contact me for more information. I think that's all. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.